We looking out for the opposition, we don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no Vladimir. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I do is ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie up your legs. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees and I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young vet. Where's you was a part of the game.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. You're watching the Revkid. Today I'm riding the Hunter 350, the lightest motorcycle Royal Enfield has ever produced. It is going to be a super short ride, so sit back and enjoy the video. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is a striking motorcycle to look at. It has a contemporary, different looking design but still screams Royal Enfield at the same time. If you look at the Hunter 350 long enough, you start to see the amalgamation of various bikes, a hint of British from the front, some Japanese bits at the rear, and in the larger scheme of things, a lot like Royal Enfield's very own Interceptor 650. Starting from the front, you have that iconic round headlight below which sit four gaiters that lend the bike a rugged scramble-like stance. Run your eyes further down and you find the first of many major changes the Hunter 350 offers, 17-inch wheels on a Royal Enfield. The wheels on the top end Metro are alloys while the base retro variant uses spoke units. Royal Enfield designed the Hunter 350 to attract new riders not only to its brand but also to the world of motorcycling in general. The motorcycle had to be approachable, light, agile and of course budget friendly. Royal Enfield's Hunter 350 shares the same 349cc JCD single cylinder as the classic 350 and the Meteor 350. While the engine has been tuned for relaxed turbo riding, what truly makes the Hunter 350 stand apart from its stable mates is its chassis geometry. With a shorter wheelbase and a steeper rake, as well as a lower curve weight, the Hunter 350 provides a more accessible, nimble riding experience than what you might find on the Classic or the Meteor. That, coupled with an attractive and youthful styling, will allow the Hunter 350 to attract and fill the needs of a different rider demographic. The throttle feels sharp and the Hunter 350 offers quicker acceleration of the line. This could also be down to the fact it weighs a lot less than its siblings with the same engine. So to conclude, must say Royal Enfield has certainly managed to make truly engaging bike the Hunter 350, providing oodles of extra appeal sure to rope in a wider, younger audience.
One eternity later.
So that was a very short review of the Hunter 350. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. This is Revkid signing off. Thanks for watching.